Amazing. Oh, it's so much fun.
Absolutely.
Well, you better step on it, Shay. You don't want to miss a support act.
Exactly, come on, Shay.
Yeah.
I'm going as fast as I can. Oh, actually, Shay, will you pull over? I drank way too much of that bloody lemonade.
Oh, no. We're already fucking late, Fitzy.
What? Well, if Siobhan's lemonade wasn't so bloody delicious.
We're going to be late. Just hold it in. Okay?
I can't hold. I really need to go. I'm not joking. Come on, we need to pull over.
Shay, just go in a bottle. Just go in a bottle, Fitzy. Come on, it would actually be hilarious. Go in a
You're not
bottle.
serious. Where's that come from? No way!
Go!
Oh my God!
Go!
Go!
Oh, I can't believe I'm going to do this. All right, I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. Fine.
Fitzy, you're hilarious.
Look away. Look away.
You're mental. You are mental.
This is
This is mental.
I can't believe you guys made me do this.